Hello friends, you are more than welcome to your own channel Career Stars, and today's video is all about the important questions from GK, and these questions are very important from competitive examination perspective. So please go through it, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it so that you can get the latest videos through our channel. Now let's have a look upon the questions. What is the purpose of Central and State Warehouse Corporation? The answer is to provide storage facility. Next question is, a company is said to be sick when the accumulated loss in the end of any financial year leads to erosion of what percentage of its net worth? Answer is 50%. Next question is, which unit of evaluation is known as paper gold? Answer is SDR, that is special drawing rights. Next question is, when India launched a green code to make polluters pay damages? Answer is in 2010. Next question is, beta carotene is a precursor for which vitamin? Answer is vitamin A. What is the unit used internationally for measuring the volume of crude oil? Answer is barrel. Why cobalt 60 is commonly used in radiation therapy? Because cobalt 60 emits gamma rays. Next question is, on the basis of which principle the mid-air swing of a spinning football can be explained? Answer is by Bernoulli's principle. Name the instrument used for measuring the depth of the sea. Answer is fathometer. Name the area that most actively took part in the national struggle during the Quit India movement. Answer is Eastern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Who was the bearer of honorific Vaikum Veerar, that is Hero of Vaikum? Answer is E.V. Ramaswamy. Next question is, who used the term untouchable for the scheduled caste for the first time? Answer is H.H. Risley. Next question is, on 17th October 1942, who inaugurated the individual Satyagraha? Answer is Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Who was the president of Congress at the time of moderate extremist split? Answer is Ras Bihari Ghosh. Next is, name the English queen, in whose time the English East India Company secured the charter with aid to organize trade with the East Indies. Answer is Queen Elizabeth. Who acted as the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Answer is B.N. Rao. Next question is, who said that the preamble is the keynote to the Constitution? Answer is Ernest Barker. Next question is, who was the Governor General of India during the Sepoy Mutiny? Answer is Lord Canning. Next question, which Europeans were the last to come to pre-independent India as traders? Answer is French. During the time of which Mughal emperor did the English East India Company establish its first factory in India? Answer is Jahangir. Who introduced planned economy for India in 1934? Answer is M. Visheshwaraya. Next question, what is the main aim of Sphoorti scheme notified by the government in October 2005? Answer is to promote the regeneration of traditional industries. Question 23rd is, why does the project Gagan has been designed? Answer is, to meet the precision approach requirement of the civil aviation sector. 24th question is, what is the purpose of India Brand Equity Fund? Answer is, to make Made in India as a label of quality. Next question, which is the deepest seaport in India? Answer is Gangavaranam Port. To which workers carcinogens should not be exposed? Ethylene dichloride. Which vitamin helps in clotting of blood? Vitamin K. Name the only national park found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Answer is Vandoor National Park. Name the Indian state that has the highest forest coverage. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, skunk cabbage is given the name because of the unpleasant smell it emits at the time of flowering. It belongs to which family? Answer is Arum family. Next question is, which gland produce earwax? Answer is ceruminous gland. Next question, which Indian state is the highest producer of cotton? Gujarat is the answer for this question. Next question is, name the highest rice exporting country in the world. Answer is India. Next question is, which acid is used in the treatment of seeds to break the seed dormancy? Answer is gibberellic acid. Next question is, what is the number of chromosomes in a normal human body cell? 46 is the answer. Which method is followed to prepare absolute alcohol? Answer is azeotropic distillation. Next question is, the stone formed in human kidney consists mostly of which chemical? Answer is calcium oxalate. Next question, which metal is most abundantly used by man? Iron. Which plant hormone controls fruit ripening? Answer is ethylene. Next question is, all acids essentially contains which element? Answer is hydrogen. 41 number question is, what is the first metal used by man? Answer is copper. Next question is, where does the Central Drug Research Institute located? Answer is Lucknow. What is the purest form of water? Rainwater. Which substance is added to make natural rubber stronger and more bouncy? Answer is sulfur. Where is the Elephant Falls located? Answer is Meghalaya. Name the first national park in India. Halli National Park. Next question is, which place in India never get the vertical rays of the sun? Srinagar is the answer. Where is the doldrums belt located? Answer is near the equator. Which area is important for softwood forest? Answer is cold temperate regions. Finally, the 50th question is, what would be the impact of global warming on mangrove forest? Answer is large area of mangrove will be submerged. Friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe, because these activities will motivate me to produce quality videos for you. Thank you. Jai Hind.